Hi everyone, I am Kadambini and you are watching Kadambini Srishti. So, the most important thing in learning any language, no doubt, word power. Word power is the most powerful weapon that you can use to enhance your language skills. So, if you can enhance or if you can improve your word power, then you can use any language in a better way than anyone else in this world. So today's video will help you how to increase your word power day by day and how to implement or use those in language. So don't skip the video if you want to improve your word power. So there are different ways that will help you to improve the word power. So we will discuss one by one how we can develop our word power, how we can build our word power. So it will helpful for students and all others, those who are interested to speak English, listen English and also write English fluently. So let us start. What are the different ways that will help us to enhance our word power capacity? So these are the different points. Let us start, my dear viewers. So here comes the first method. It is known as the word tree. Take any single word and add just the related words in this tree. And here the word is holiday and its related words as it is written like package, sunbathing, beach, summer, look forward to, enjoy, spend, then hotel, then caravan, and we have youth holiday, tent, touring, relaxing, skiing, and sightseeing. Here we have another tree, that is word tree, and here you have to write the words related to school. I hope you can do this on your own. Now comes the second one. It is known as the bubble diagram. Here we have different bubbles, but there is a single main word, and here this word is car. And you just see what are the other words related to car here. The words are like steering wheel, diesel, petrol, only dead, boot, then saloon, clutch, brake, hatchback, then battery, accelerator, and handbrake. These are the related words, and it will enhance your word power if you will follow this method. You can also add so many other words like temple, hospital, park, and so many things, and write down different words related to that one. Then your word power will surely improve. There is no doubt in it. Here comes another bubble diagram. So the main word here we have cat. Its related words are mew, paw, kitten. And we have to add 5 more related words. So those words are like whisker, tail, then claw, fur and ear. And here it is complete now. Besides these two methods, here we have another method. It is known as the tree diagram. If we take furniture as the main word, we divide furniture according to its use in different rooms. Then we have sofa and bookcase in living room, and lamp, wardrobe in bedroom, stool and dresser in kitchen. Then we can add other words in living room like chair and in bedroom like bed. The next method, it is also very important and essential. As it is written here, you can see, just take any noun and try to add as many as adjectives you can add to this particular noun. It will enhance your adjective word power. And here you can see what are the points written as it is. For the word idea, we can say original idea, brilliant idea, unusual idea, great idea, or excellent idea. Or for any film, we can say shoot a film, edit a film, then direct a film, then star in a film, review a film. And for view, we can say magnificent view, breathtaking view, super view. Or for a ball, we can say kick a ball, hit a ball, or bounce a ball. Now I think you can add two more adjectives for view and a ball. As I have written here, like stunning views, splendid views, then catch a ball or bounce a ball. Now it is time for homework. That means all the related words are given and you have to give the main word that will be written in the center. I hope you just go through the different words and can find out the main word. If you are interested and you like the video, then give the answer using the comment box. Here you can see the word tree of school which we have discussed previously. You can write another words here also. Hope you must have got some idea of how to improve your word power. Yes, I'm interested to improve your word capacity. Now, thought of the day. So, today's thought is it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very difficult to win someone. Here, win means to win the heart of anyone else. So, to defeat is easy, but to win is difficult. So keep watching, keep growing. I will be right back with another useful video for you all very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.